This is a video to show you how to transfer a test created in Pearson's TestGen to Blackboard. First, you will want to open up a test that you want to transfer. Go to the upper left corner to the File menu, click Export. A dialog box will pop up and you'll choose the Blackboard option. You'll name it, so I'm going to call this one Sample Test. And the description is optional, so we're not going to include one. You'll say OK. And it'll ask you where to save it. You can choose anywhere to save. I'm going to choose this in my test folder in TestGen. And then you'll click the Save button. And you'll export and prepare it in a zip drive for Blackboard. The next step is you're going to log on to Blackboard and open the course you want to upload the test pool to. Then you're going to go over to your control panel and choose Course Tools and scroll down to where you see Test Surveys and Pools. Click, and then you want to create a pool. And we're going to import this pool. So we're going to browse the computer and we're going to go to our test file or wherever you saved yours and click on the zip file that we just created and open it. Then click Submit. And there it is. The next step is we'll go to Learning Materials, select the folder where we want the quiz to appear for our students, build an assessment. We're going to create a test. So we are going to create it, give it a name, Week 1 Sample Test, and press Submit. To access the questions in our pool, we choose the Reuse Question option and Find Questions. And our pools will show up here. And here we just created the sample test. It'll list all of our questions and we click Submit. Oops. First you gotta tell it which ones you want. You can choose all of them by clicking the box at the top, or you can individually choose which questions to include and submit. Assign a point value. Let's say that they're 1 point each, so maybe it's a 10-point quiz. And scroll down to the end, click OK, and submit. We can set the test options here. We want to make the test available to students. Then you have all your other options that you have for testing. Set them as you want them and then press Submit. And there it is, ready to go for your students.